In this tutorial, I will guide you how to cancel your Wondershare Filmora subscription. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now, step 1, you need to log into the Wondershare account. So go here to this website, which is filmora.wondershare.com. The link will be available on the description of this video. Once you go to this website here, just make sure to log in on your account that you want to cancel your subscription. So there will be an option here which says sign in. After sign in, you will see a profile here, which is your profile, which shows account center and sign out option. Now follow the information which has been provided by Wondershare on how to cancel a subscription, on subscription and cancellation terms. Also, this page will be available on the description of this video. Now, they've explained it clearly here. As you can see, you can cancel a subscription anytime here. They've provided a link. So if you click to this option here, which is this link, you take you to this section here, which you can cancel your subscription on the manage subscription section here. So if you have a subscription for Wondershare Filmora, you'll see an option to cancel subscription. So since I don't have a subscription with Filmora, but you'll see an option to cancel a subscription here on manage subscription, or you can also follow another instructions here by contacting the customer support team. So if you click to this option here, to take you to their customer support. Once you cancel your service, will continue until the end of your contracted term. Unless you are eligible for a refund under our 30-day policy, your initial payment is non-refundable. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. But you need to have an account. Just log in using the account that you want to cancel subscription through this website here, which is filmora.wondershare.com. Once you log in, follow this instruction which have been provided here. Also, this page will be available on the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.